Open the outer box and take out the product and accessories in order. Before use, open the back cover of the station. Pull out the black power cable plug to connect the battery pack. Once connected, place the battery pack into the compartment. Place the station beside the window you intend to clean. Please secure the station's safety rope to a stable, immovable object, such as a table leg or a window railing. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to start the station. Before using the device, take out the clean water tank and fill it with fresh water. Open the water inlet of the WINBOT and add the ECOVACS WINBOT cleaning solution. Turn WINBOT over to expose the wiping pad. Pinch the side clips of the wiping pad and lift it upward to remove it. Press the Open Compartment button on the station and insert the wiping pad into the designated recesses as marked. Close the door, then select Standard Wash on the station to wet the wiping pad. Once the pad is fully wetted, take it out and reinstall it onto WINBOT according to the corresponding wide, narrow edges and the drive wheel grooves. Thank you for watching. Tap Help in the app settings to find more advanced operations.
ECOVACS, created for ease.